Rose from Bobby Rose DIY Home and Lifestyle. It's been a while since I brought to you a DIY. Today I have the ultimate DIY for you. Why is it the ultimate DIY? Number one, it's for my son's 40th birthday. Number two, it does not contain anything from the Dollar Tree. It is not something that was done overnight. It was a labor of love. And why? Because he's worth it. I have the number one son in the whole world, the whole universe. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about it. I want you to guess how many stones I used and how many hours I put into it. I can't wait for you to see it. Here's the inspiration, and here's what I purchased from Amazon. These are the supplies that I use. Majority came from another source, but I can leave you a link in Amazon for these items. At first, when I got started, I really felt intimidated and wondered if I could do it and whether or not I would get it done in time. But as time went along, I just put myself into it, and this is the gradually the process that I'm showing you how I did it. You can see I did the silver leafing on the rock. I left it kind of rugged, and majority of the stones that I use are not opaque. The only ones that are opaque are the chrome that I shadowed the white feathers with, and the larger one in the eyeball. Everything else was pretty much a clear, iridescent type stone, all in the size of 8SS, except for the chrome that I highlighted with. It's a 6SS, and the one for the eyeball, it might be a 10 or 12. But I did use gold leafing and silver leafing, and as you see, I gradually put the stones on one by one. So yeah, it was very exciting, exhilarating, and I just enjoyed doing the entire thing. And if you look closely, you can see the different colors, the different shading in the white feathers. And the brown feathers, I used a smoked topaz. The gold in the large feather and around the eyes is just topaz. It looks more gold, but it's called topaz. And the majority of the head is done in clear. And the shadowing I did is in like a chrome, and that's the opaque. And I also use that around the eyes. The black on the feather, the large feather, is called black diamond. I'm just showing you how the process on how I applied it. It got really exciting when I got to this part where I was almost finished. And it was just really, really exciting to see it get this far. And that's when I knew I was going to have it ready in time for his birthday. So I took a few days off just to rest my eyes and my back and my legs. I'm telling you, if you're ever going to sit for a long period of time doing something like this, make sure you have a cushion in your chair. No matter how good you think your chair is, make sure you have a cushion in your chair. And here's the finished product. You can see how it's glistening just under the room light. And I was just so happy when I finished it. And I was just like, oh, I hope he likes it. I hope he likes it. And it was very, very rewarding for me. And then also to see the look on his face was very pleasing to me as a mother. This is my ultimate DIY. And leave me a comment. Let me know if you think it's my ultimate DIY. If you're familiar with all my DIYs. But this one I feel is my ultimate DIY.
You ain't spend too much, right?
No. Be careful with it.
I'm about to just rip the bag.
Thanks. You want to read the card? Be careful with it.
Is this a face? What is
Just
it?
open it.
Lento? Thanks, Mama.
You're welcome. I did it all myself.
Oh, you did this?
Yeah.
Wait, how'd you do it? You mean you put the bling on it?
Uh-huh.
Oh. Okay.
And the gold and the silver. Yeah.
I gotta find somewhere to mount it.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel.